What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. A lot of stuff is going on inside the crypto market right now. So we're going to be going over Shiba Inu. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. I'll be upgrading the quality of these videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more different stuff. I'm definitely going to get another better camera than this webcam that I have currently. So definitely help support the channel. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description, because as you can see, it tells you exactly when we're having chances of reversals to uptrends, and then the same for the downtrends. It tells you when the bulls are in control of the market, shows you the oscillator of the overbuying areas, the overselling areas, and the neutral areas, and all that good stuff. And also it shows you dark pools and institutional interest when we have big whales putting money into there. So anyways, definitely check that out and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. All right, let's get straight to this video. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Shiba Inu is this right here. The 24-hour market control is in control 60% by the bulls. So it's pretty much saying that we're 60% bullish. Now, we have high activity expected for Shiba Inu coming here very soon, as you can see over here with dark pools and institutional interest, pretty much showing that the whales, are probably going to be buying around this area here. If we get down to this 6.5 area, pretty much we're going to get some whales buying in as well. So we're going to see a lot coming in here for Shiba Inu inside the near future. Now, I want to talk about something here. First, let's go over here and look back where we had this uptrend. So this looks very similar to Dogecoin's chart. I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but Dogecoin's chart is very similar to Shiba Inu's. Actually, let's just pull up another Vital Algo screen so then we can see this. So let's just type inside a Dogecoin, and you just to compare the two, we can see when both of them are going bullish because they're both literally the same right now. So really just look at it from the last 2 days, that's pretty much what we're looking at. It looks exactly the same. You can't tell me that these two charts aren't very similar right here. These are two very similar charts, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So they're definitely following each other. Now, I just wanted to show that because it's just something that I noticed. But anyways, it's not really that relevant right now. But right now, we're actually trickling slowly but surely down here to our previous support. But one thing I do want to mention, look, this green area, this is our supply demand, showing we have lots of demand for Shiba Inu if we were to get down to 60. Now, it also shows that we have a lot of, or not as much demand over here at the 80 area. So we did go all the way down here, almost all the way down to 60, pretty much almost up below it right here around the 31st, which was yesterday. Now, it shows Shiba Inu right now is trending a little bit downwards, but the bulls are still in control by 60%. So over here, Shiba Inu prints bullish continuation pattern towards 00011. And you can kind of see here how it's going on uptrend, takes a little bit of a pullback, and then probably when it gets around here to the support, is going to go on another uptrend, take a little bit of another pullback. And that's usually how it happens. It goes on the uptrends, goes on pullbacks, and it kind of repeats this until it reaches its target price. So Shiba Inu price retraced as much as 34% from the most recent new all-time highs. Traders have maintained a near-term support level around the 0.0065 value area. Right now we're at 6.860, and the bull's continuation pattern shows upside potential remains, but so do risk. So there are always risks here inside of crypto in general. So Shiba Inu price action prints a bull flag and shows upside continuation, but downside risks are present. So Shiba Inu price has a theoretical long trade setup on its 0, or pretty much 5 zeros. Too many zeros to say, right? 5 zeros, 2, 5/3 box reversal point in figure chart. The long idea is a buy stop at the 4 area in the 775 and a stop loss at the 4 area 700. And I'm pretty sure they really meant the 4 zeros here, but they put 5. But yeah, anyways, so over here you can see the profit of the target at the 0.001125. That's pretty much the area where everyone's aiming for right now. The projected profit target is based on the vertical profit target method used in point and figure analysis, and this is technical analysis terminology. But anyways, that's why I like the Vital Algo indicators. They're automated, and it pretty much automates everything for you. So anyways, I gotta go over the manual and the automation of it. So the entry is on the first box above a double top that would form a 0.000750 area. The entry would also break the bear market trend line, converting Shiba Inu to a bull market, which is pretty much the red diagonal line that they're talking about here. So when we break it, it's going to convert us into that bull market, and then we're going to be bullish here inside Shiba Inu. Now, they always talk about the risk of this. They always talk about the good, the bad, the ugly. So we got to go over all of it. So the hypothetical long trade will be invalidated if a new column of OS moves lower to 0.000525. So pretty much if we trend down to the 5 area, then we're going to see probably a bearish market. Now, as you can see, Shib is starting a recovery here. It's at 69.07, so it's probably going to start trending upwards. And this is the 15-minute chart. That's why it's not showing up yet. But when you look at it on the 1M chart, you can kind of see it starting to form a little bit here. Even though we have dipped some, but we're still doing good here inside Shiba Inu compared to a lot of the other coins right now. But yeah, look over here. When you look at the 1-minute chart, the 1M chart, it shows the bears are in control by 40%, which still means that the bulls are in control by 60%. So that's still a good, a good amount of control by the bulls. So like I said, the red areas here are showing our supply and demand, where we have less demand of Shiba Inu. The green area is showing we have more demand. As you can see now, a green area is starting to form. And we're actually right at the bottom of the oscillator here, the vital algo oscillator. You can actually see that it's showing that we're oversold. And always coming after an overselling area, we always go on to a bullish movement like right back here. So let's scroll all the way back here and zoom in. Once we go on the oversold area like how we did here, we always go on an not an overbought area, but we always get positive growth inside of our volume coming right after, showing a bullish trend signal. So we're probably about to go bullish here with Shiba Inu inside, like right now, literally, because we just now got oversold, like I just now said pretty much. But anyways, yeah, it's starting to go up here on this uptrend that you can see. And that's what Vital Algo is for. It shows you exactly when we're probably about to have an uptrend, and we're actually having the uptrend now. So we're probably going to trend to the 7-0 area, and this is probably what's going to send us into our bullish movement. So right here where they talk about how this could be invalidated if we reach 525, you really don't have to worry about that because they're actually about to break out literally right now. Now anything can happen, and we could continue the downtrend downwards, but it's not going to be long term. If you think about it, it's short term. Losses are always short term with this type of stuff. But yeah, on the short side of the trade, there is a theoretical short entry with the break of a quadruple bottom. So the short idea has a possible entry at the 575 area and a stop loss at the 675 area and a profit target at the 225 area. But I don't really believe it's gonna go that low like that. That's very bearish. But anyways, the possible short entry idea is invalidated if Shiba Inu price moves above 0.000850. So the bearish is pretty much invalidated if we go above 850, and the bullish is invalidated if we go below 52.5. So that's pretty much what they're seeing here with Shiba Inu. Now we're way above 52.5, so I don't believe we're gonna go that low right now. But what I'm really concerned about is going up to the 8.5 area, because you can see the red areas here. It shows that there's less demand up there, so it's gonna take some momentum. It's gonna take some whales buying into Shiba Inu for it to go up. It's gonna take some big heavy promotion on social media. Anything really helps at anywhere from retweeting stuff, making Shiba Inu memes and stuff like that. So anything could really help Shiba Inu rise. But yeah, it's really going to take some push and some momentum to build Shiba Inu back up. Now, the reason why I'm saying that I'm not worried about the bearish signals, because look at this. Like every time we have these green areas, this shows high demand. So anytime you see these green lines, it's high demand. We go down here to the 6.5 area, that's high demand. We go down to the 6.4 area, high demand. 6.3 area, high demand. Now below that, we go down here. If we go down to the 5.8 area, we still have way more demand. It's a bigger green line. So I'm really not worried about Shiba Inu taking too much of a fall, because it's just not inside the technicals right now, and we're actually forming up another green bar, showing that we're actually on the bullish pattern, showing that we're having positive momentum and positive volume coming into Shiba Inu. As you can see here with the oscillator, we're actually starting to build some of this green area here, which is pretty much showing buy orders. It's showing the money flowing into Shib instead of out. You can see it forming here on the oscillator now. So I definitely believe Shib has some good potential So over here, Shiba Inu could test the 0.0008 resistance after rallying by more than 13%. That's pretty much what we're about to do. We're about to test this resistance here. Now over here you can see Shiba Inu is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies, obviously, yes. And at the time of writing, Shib is trading at 7307, right now at 69.19. And then over here you can see Shib has surpassed its first major resistance level at the 717 area. Right now we're at 6924, so we gotta wait till we get back above it. But once we do, we're gonna shoot up here to the 80 resistance area. So that's gonna be really nice. And Shiba Inu will need to embark on an extended rally if it stands a chance to make a move towards its all-time high price of 8616. However, in the event of a bearish movement in the market, Shib could drop to 717, then eventually to 649 pivot if the focus is lost on Shib. That's what I'm saying. Like, Shib has to stay inside of social media. Remember when Doge Day 420 happened, when Saturday Night Live happened? After all of that ended, Dogecoin just went and dipped. Like Shiba Inu, if no one's talking about Shiba Inu, if it's not trending in the media, Twitter is not trending on Twitter, if it's not trending anywhere, the price inevitably will go down just because the way it operates. It operates off of social media. It operates off of its social presence. So if it's not trending on social media, if people aren't talking about it, if it's not on everyone's mind, it's not going to grow like it has been. So that's pretty much what you need to keep in mind. We need to keep the media focus on Shiba Inu pretty much. And right now it's on stuff like the Squid Games coin, because Squid Game token went up like 230% and then rug pulled on people, and people can't get their money out of it because it was a scam. There's just so much going on in crypto right now. Like everything's going crazy. Floki Inu is taking some of the shine away. Dogecoin, Mars, all this stuff that has a huge social media presence and has a lot of attention on it takes away from Shiba Inu. You got to think about that. Not everyone has $1 million to where they can just invest a little bits here and there in every single coin. A lot of people have a set amount of money and they put it into one coin, or they just spread it thin throughout a few. But that's pretty much what happens here with crypto. Anyways, you can see here Shiba Inu is up right now, or up inside the last 7 days. I mean, not the last 24 hours. The last 24 hours down 3.3%. Not too shabby right there. But something else you got to keep in mind here. Look at this. Shiba Inu is up a lot inside the last 11 months. It's really high, like really, really, really high. But yeah, it has potential. We just got to stay inside of the media. Now, right here, we have 889,978 people in Shiba Inu right now. Hit that refresh button. 890,203. So as you can see, people just now poured into Shiba Inu within the last 10 minutes of us making this video. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation link through the link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators like this to tell you exactly when our trends are starting and when we're having more money flowing into whatever you want to look at on the markets, then definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.